I'm Dr. Drew Ordon, board-certified plastic surgeon, practice right here in the 90210, have been doing plastic surgery now for some 35 years. A lot of great doctors out there, and through my training, my experience, being at meetings, I know who the best are. And I crossed paths with Dr. Ziering, who's now I consider close friend. When the time came that, hey, you know what, I'm ready to do some work on my hair, he was the guy without question. Well, I remember when I first went into practice, I remember the old school way that they would do hair restoration, the little cornrows there, the patches, the strips. It just didn't look natural. Now, today, we have evolved so much with hair restoration. It really is remarkable. I've been thinking about it for years. I wasn't really overly sensitive, but as the years go by, I'm thinning a little bit more and more, and I see it in pictures, I see it in TV, and I think hair is so important. I'm really excited for tomorrow for having my hair done. I know I'm in the best of hands with Dr. Ziering. Why am I so impressed with Dr. Ziering? Well, number one, he's my friend. I've been with him at meetings, and I know what he does. I've seen his results. He really loves what he does. He's a doctor first, a caring doctor. He has such a passion for what he does, and he's an artist. As an insider in the business, I know what it takes to get a great result with hair restoration, and Dr. Z, he's my man.